Alright friends, here is a fun science experiment for you. We are going to do a do-it-yourself sunrise or sunset science experiment. Here are some things that you're going to need. You need a clear cup, a flashlight or some sort of device, like you can use a cell phone or something like that. You need a spoon to stir with. You need water, about a half of a cup of water. So you're going to fill half of your plastic cup with water, and then you're going to fill the other half of the cup with milk. So go ahead and pause the video until you get these things if you're going to do the experiment with us. Step 1. Pour water in the clear cup so it's halfway full. So when you look at the side of the cup, you're going to fill half of the cup with water. Go ahead and pause the video until you finish that step. Step 2. Pour in the milk and mix with a spoon when the cup is full. So pour in the milk till the cup is all the way filled to the top, and then mix the water and the milk together with a spoon. Go ahead and pause the video until you are done pouring in the milk and stirring it. Step 3. You're going to position your flashlight or hold your flashlight above the cup. So you're shining it down onto the cup. What do you see happening? Step 4. Turn the lights off and position your flashlight to the side of the cup. So you can see here, there's a little dark spot right there. That's where the flashlight is, or the cell phone, and they're shining it into the cup. Make sure all the lights are off, and you can see in this picture, it looks like a sunrise, or a sunset. Wow, that is cool. Why does this happen? Well, the atmosphere is made up of, the atmosphere meaning like all the air around the earth, is made up of billions of particles, billions of little specks in the air. But they're so tiny that we can't even see them. Now, although it looks like nothing is there, like in the air, you can't really see anything, the light from the sun actually has to travel through these tiny particles in the air. So the light from the sun shines through all of these tiny particles that we can't see. Now, at sunrise and sunset, the sun is high in the sky, okay? So when the sun is high up in the sky, this means that it doesn't have to travel through many particles. So when the sun is really, really high, there's not that many things in the air, not that many particles in the air. So the sun can shine super duper bright when it's way up high in the air. It's bright and it's white looking if you look at it. Don't look at it though, it hurts your eyes. Now, at sunrise and sunset, the sun is lower in the sky. When it's low in the sky, when the sun is setting or when the sun's rising, like you can see this picture, it's closer to the earth. And there's all these little particles in the air. Maybe it's dirt, maybe it's fog, maybe it's whatever it is floating in the air when really close to the ground. And so the sun has to shine through all of these particles. So it has a lot more particles that it has to shine through. So it's definitely not as bright. When the sunlight goes through these particles, the light actually scatters in different directions. So instead of the light shining straight down at us, it actually goes in all different directions out to the sides because it's having to go through all these particles that are close to the earth. So, have you ever looked at a sunrise or a sunset and it makes the whole sky red or orange? So, why are the sunsets and the sunrises usually a red color or an orange color? Good question. The red and the orange light scatter the least. So, when the sun shines, there's all sorts of colors that come with light. And so red and orange, they don't go in different directions. Those colors don't as much as the other colors do. So they can stay together. So because the red and the orange light stays together in a group, we can see red and orange. Whereas the blue lights that come from the sun, maybe they scatter all over the place so we can't see them very well. And the green light scatters all over the place. And the purple scatters all over the place. Although sometimes I see purple sunsets. But red and orange, those type of lights, they stick together so we can see them the best. I hope you had a great time doing this science experiment. I would love to see a picture of your cup of milk and your sunrise or your sunset that you made. Stay curious.